Hello, my name is Gabriel Monroy, and I am a technical leader for the Cisco ACI technology. Today we will review the steps to set up an APIC Device Connector for Claim in Intersight. Let us begin by reviewing the prerequisites. The APIC Device Connector must be able to properly resolve svc.intersight.com, and it must be allowed outbound communication on port 443. If a proxy is required to make this happen, it must be configured within the APIC system settings. On intersight.com, an account is required to eventually claim the device. The DNS configuration can be validated at the following location within the APIC UI. The proxy policy can be validated within the system settings of the APIC UI. To perform a quick validation test, you can log into each APIC and run an NSLOOKUP as well as a curl against the svc.intersight.com website. With the prerequisites validated, we can now proceed with the main steps. First, we will get the latest version of the NICC app from the DC App Store. We will install the app onto the APIC, complete the app setup and select the pods to monitor, validate the device connector settings, and then finally claim the fabric from the Intersight portal. Step 1. Downloading the latest NICC app. We'll begin by going to the Cisco DC App Center, finding the Nexus Insights Cloud Connector app, and downloading it to your local machine. Step 2. Install the NICC app onto the APIC. From within the APIC UI, you can navigate to the Apps tab, and you should find the existing NICC or NIBase app. There is an option to upgrade the app, at which point you can supply the location to the downloaded version of the new app, submit it for upload, and then it will automatically upgrade to the latest version. Step 3. Validate NICC app settings. Once the app has been updated, you can click Open to view the current app device settings. The gear icon will allow you to revalidate the data collection setup, at which point you can define which pods you would like to enable for monitoring. Step 4. Validate device connector settings. Within the system settings, there is an Intersight section which can be viewed to validate that the APIC has Internet and Intersight connectivity. Take note of the device ID and claim code, as this will be used in Step 5. The settings gear of this page will allow you to enable or disable the device connector, change the access mode, as well as enable auto update of the device connector. Step 5. Claim the APIC from Intersight. Navigate to the Intersight web portal and log in. Once logged in, you will have the option to claim a new target. Select the Cisco APIC target, and then input the claim code and device ID found from the APIC UI. Once claimed, it will report as such from the Intersight portal. On the APIC, you can navigate back to the Intersight tab, at which point it should report itself as claimed. Troubleshooting the app installation. If the app appears to hang during installation, you can attempt via CLI. As admin, transfer the image into /data/tech support and issue the firmware repository add command. If successful, you will see the image in the Show Firmware Repository output. If all installation methods fail, trigger an on-demand tech support that includes all controllers, and create a new app tech support against NICC, then trigger that collection. To create an on-demand tech support for an app, select the For App checkbox, then select the app in question. Once created, you can trigger collection against this policy. Thank you for watching.
Cisco, the bridge to possible.